Hello, fellow marketers. I'm Brian Bowie, and welcome back to Directive R&D. In today's lab, we're going to be doing competitor research and showing you an easy process you can use using an internal tool we created called Pulse that allows you to see your search engine presence against other competitors in your industry. Free tool to use. We developed it in-house. You get to take advantage of a lot of the best data out there for free to see where you stand against your competitors. So without further ado, I'm going to dive in and show you how we like to use it. And so you can use it for yourself. But if you want to check it out, you can go to directiveconsulting.com and go under resources and click SaaS data. If you want to head straight to there, it's called directiveconsulting.com/pulse. Within here, I would recommend playing around. You can check out just PPC data, SEO data, overall research. We're going to be showing you an example in custom research in just a second. We do have a database of over 25,000 SaaS accounts under thousands or hundreds of different categories. So you can kind of see where you stand within your search engine, in the search engine landscape against your competitors. So quick example, you can look at sales software. And you can kind of see the different metrics that we're pulling in from domain rating, total monthly keywords, total traffic, organic traffic value. These metrics right here are pulled from SEMrush. Domain rating we pull from Ahrefs, and then some of the paid metrics we pull from Spyfu. So we use an aggregate of all of the search market data and then have our proprietary math equation, logarithmic, to compare you against this set of competitors. So that's just a quick example if you're going to use the overall research one. But for our exercise, we're going to be more specific. If you want to use custom research, super easy. You could just sign up for free for your own account, and then all of the setup that you have will be saved in there. I'm going to go to one of our test accounts and click in custom research and make myself a little bit smaller for this quick demo. For this exercise, we're going to be looking at a few project management tools. So I've put in Asana already. I'm going to put in another one. Not really project management, but another collaboration tool that I've seen. Collaboration and productivity, whiteboard software, submit. So at this point, you can see, you can put up, imagine if I was Asana, I could put myself up against Miro. I can also add in one more competitor. I know a popular one is Basecamp. And I will keep the same category for productivity and collaboration. We'll call this internal communication software. And then again, you can see the different search engine metrics against other competitors. You can leverage this information, especially if you're trying to get new budgets or see where you stand against your other competitors. You can see here where Basecamp doesn't spend too much within paid search. And if you were Basecamp, maybe you may consider it as just another gap in your discoverability on the web against Miro or Asana. And that's how you can use that data to get a pulse on where you stand within the search engine landscape. So if you hover over here, you can kind of get a quick summary on what these metrics mean. And you can also sort by metric as well. And you can also add additional ones. So wanted to give that quick demo for you on using that. If you wanted to check it out, it's completely free. directiveconsulting.com/pulse. If you have any questions, please let me know. But hopefully this helps your competitive research while you're doing that. So I'll check you in the next lab. And as always, thank you.